So there are helium gas in a given container. Which of the following statements are true for this container under constant temperature? Okay, if we add CH4 gas into the container, partial pressure of helium increases. Tama ba yung statement number 1 natin? Hindi. Bakit? Di ba sabi natin sa Dalton's law of partial pressure, each compound or each element should have individual partial pressures. So walang kinalaman yung pressure ng isa dun sa pressure ng isa. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Statement 2. If we add oxygen gas into the container, density of the gases in the container increases. Yes, kasi density is mass over volume. So, pag nag-add tayo ng oxygen dun sa container, ano ba? Density of the gases will increase. So yes, lalaki yung volume pero bibigat din siya. So para siyang may direct proportion. Oh yes, tama din. Kahit tumaas yung volume natin, may possibility na mataas din yung mass natin, tataas pa rin yung ating density. So statement number 3, if we add argon gas into the container, average kinetic energy stays constant. Yes, kung wala siyang rate or internal or external rate. Pwede. So the correct statements are statement 2 and 3. So we have letter C. Okay, next, 48. So which of the following statements related to gases is false? So statement number 1, they can produce homogeneous mixture. Statement number 2, density of same matter in gas phase is smaller than density of liquid phase. Yes, it is because for example, yung hydrogen, meron tayong liquid hydrogen na tinatawag, di ba? So kapag ka liquid hydrogen kasi, mas mabigat compared sa hydrogen na nakagas. Okay. They are fluid, yes. Gases are fluid. Madidiscuss nyo yan pagdating ng fluid mechanics. Number 4, so mali na yung 2 and 3. So mali na to, mali na to. Yung number 1, hindi ko sure, pero since wala namang 1 sa choices, pwede mo na yung i-cross out. Hindi ko rin sure yung number 1. Okay, number 4, they apply same pressure at every point of container. Check natin. They can be condensed under low pressure and high temperature. They can be condensed under low pressure and high temperature. Number 4, they apply the same pressure at every point. Yes, using Bernoulli's principle naman ito. So tama din si number 4. So letter D is the answer. Okay, next, 49. Last 2 items for objective. So atoms of nonmetals generally reacts with atoms of metals by anong ginagawa niya? Okay, so kapag ka nonmetals, yung ating nire-react sa iba pang metal, ang tawag doon non-metal to metal, that is your ionic bonding. Okay, ionic bond ang tawag doon. Kung metal to metal, I think that is the covalent bond. Pero kung non-metal to metal, that is your ionic bond. So pwede ko nang i-cross out yung letter B at saka letter D. So it's either A or C na lang, pero paano? Gaining ba siya or sharing? So sabi natin, kapag ka nag-ano tayo ng non-metal to metal, ang ginagawa niya is nag-gain siya ng energy by gaining your electrons. Yan, si non-metal ang mag-gain ng electron. Or yung metal, siya ang mag-share ng electron. Okay, last number, Number 50. So which of the following are distinguishing properties of matter? So ito, take note nyo na lang siguro yung mga properties ng matter. Pag sinabi nating properties, ito yung may mga ability sa dulo. Okay, so number 1 is density. Then we have solubility. We have specific heat. We have expansion. Also, we have your melting point. We have also your freezing point. We also have your boiling point. So magkaiba ang melting point sa boiling point. We have your conductivity. This is the property of material to conduct heat. And lastly is your steam pressure. So kung titignan, which one of the following are? That is the solubility. So we have 3. Pero sa choices, walang 3 only. So tignan natin. Ayun, density pala. Density and solubility. So walang volume. Yung volume kasi, siya na yung state na tinatawag. State of a fluid. So yes, property pa rin siya, pero state property siya. Yung state property are the volume, pressure, and temperature. Ito kasing property na binabanggit dito, distinguishing property, pagka-characteristic siya ng isang material. Hindi siya state property. Again state property, yun yung sila pressure, temperature, and volume. Pero distinguishing properties are characteristic of a material. Okay, so that ends our lecture. For your quiz, represent ko na lang ulit from 1 to 50. Okay, 1 to 4. Next page. Next. 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 Next number or next page. Okay, and last page.